Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kilanejo Pikan from Pachana Jaim, from all the way from Zimbabwe. I'm going to do a cover song from Oliver Mtukudzi called Mr. Piribiri Mwanyanya, and with my instrument called Nyonganyo Nambira. Enjoy. Mr. Piribiri Ndanyara Mkoma, Ndanyara O, Hangari Neko. Hingari no Chokuzunga Ezamko, Hangari Neko. Hingari no Chokuzunga Ezamko.